Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I will be talking about your performance task for the second quarter. Okay, so let me just explain to you how you will go through and go about with your performance task. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So of course, happy holidays in advance. So this performance task is related with the holidays. So let me just read to you the scenario. Okay, so the scenario is you are a celebrity baker or chef. So since Christmas time is around the corner, you have been invited by a morning television program to talk about your favorite Christmas cookies or any of your favorite Christmas recipe and do a cooking demonstration for the viewers. Okay, so thus you are to inform about the food and describe the ingredients and steps in cooking your favorite recipes clearly and accurately. So while you do the cooking demonstration, you are to discuss the cooking procedure by using personal pronouns. Okay, so you use personal pronouns in doing the cooking demonstration. Okay, so let me just read to you the goal. So the goal here is to inform the viewers of your favorite Christmas recipe and do a cooking demonstration. So your role here will be a celebrity baker or chef. Oral, you meaning to say you are going to talk on how to do your favorite Christmas recipe. Okay, so your audience will be grade 4 pupils, parents, and guardians. So the situation here is Christmas celebration. And your product or performance will be a cooking demonstration using again oral or talking and demonstrating to your audience. Okay, so what are the mechanics and guidelines? First, you do a 1 to 2 minute cooking demonstration that focuses on your favorite Christmas recipe such as cookies, cakes, desserts, or any kind of food which are best prepared during Christmas parties. Second, describe the ingredients and the steps in cooking your favorite recipes. Third, make sure to use personal pronouns during your cooking demonstration. Fourth, share something about yourself first before you proceed to your cooking demonstration. And fifth, wear a casual attire or a chef costume during the demonstration. Okay, so this is the rubric for your cooking demonstration. First is mastery of the cooking procedure. Second, demo or the demonstration time frame. And work quality and effort, the style and mechanics, audience rapport, costume or attire, and of course, voice quality. Make sure that I can be able to hear you. Okay, so this is the timeline for making your performance task. So on November 23, please start writing your script for the cooking demonstration and prepare the ingredients to be used. Grammar focus is on the correct use of personal pronouns. So November 24 to November 30, rehearse your cooking demonstration and pre-record it. So you can record yourself or or practice first before you pre-record yourself in doing your performance task. So on December 1, it is the deadline of submission of the pre-recorded video of your cooking demonstration. So please upload and turn in your pre-recorded cooking demonstration in the classwork handout, which I will be providing later on. So should you have a hard time submitting your output, please send it through my Gmail account, albertnavera@slstb.edu.ph. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy making your performance task. Best of luck and enjoy doing your performance task. And make sure also to follow the timeline in making the performance task so that you will not have a time constraint, because that's why I am giving your performance task early so that you could work on it early as well. Okay, so again, I hope that you enjoy doing your performance task, and I hope to see you, chef, in your performance task. Okay, so goodbye.